Wow, it feels good just to sit down and not be doing anything for a second today. Or be doing something that's slower paced. But this evening is tea time, number 44. Let's kick off this tea review with the preparation of some hot water. As our water boils, let's check out tonight's tea. Tonight's tea will be Organic Citron Green by Harney and Sons. It's described here as a crisp green tea. Let's read this tea's description. We often suggest Citron Green, a delicately flavored green tea, to our tasting room customers interested in trying green tea for the first time. The light citrus and beautiful orange flavors provide a gentle introduction to green tea. Try our large box of 50 convenient tea bags. Each tea bag brews a 6 to 8 ounce cup of tea. Let's also read Mike's tea ratings details. This tea is clear as a bell, a green bell. The citrus flavors blend quite nicely with the slightly lemony flavors found in the steamed Chinese green tea. We find it to be a great tea for those unfamiliar with green tea. Our brewing instructions for this tea are: use 1 cup of less than boiling water per tea bag and steep for 3 minutes. Our brewing temp will be 175. Our temperature gauge shows that we are indeed at the correct steeping temperature. And I'm opening up the tea bag. Wrong way. All right. Let's add this tea and steep. For 3 minutes. Our recommended steep time has been reached. Let's try this tea. Already very impressed. Although this isn't a bad thing, but this tea kind of reminds me. It has a very, very pleasant, overarching flavor of orange peel without the bitterness or the unpleasantness that we talked about in our last review of the lemon herbal by this company. Wow, it has one of the most pleasant initial tastes that I've had in any tea. It's immediately like this great orange flavor. I can't quite describe it. It's not pure orange. It almost tastes like a candied orange, but the aroma and the overall flavor that I get right away is so nice because it's refreshing. It's not like minty, so it's not like a cold sensation. There's not a lot of manipulation to me, which I really love. I think that's a big part of what makes teas great for me, is when the tea isn't this like crazy mixture that somehow is supposed to morph my palate. I want the tea to be natural tasting. I want it to taste like it came out of the ground. And I'm so happy that Harney and Sons knows how to make make teas of on opposite sides of the tea spectrum, like teas that are incredibly flavorful, powerful, bitter, kind of short spurts, and then teas like this that are so understated and plain and green and natural and like grass, like, you need both of those spectrums, and Harney plays that so well. But the green tea is very much the vessel here. The majority of the flavor that I get is simply that orange, kind of candied orange flavor, and then it kind of just fades out super, super slow and nice, and I don't really get much of an aftertaste. My foot's falling asleep. This tea gets an 8.5. I quite enjoy it. I enjoy it quite a lot. I don't think it's for everyone. I think this tea is for someone who likes green tea and who wants like something a little different, kind of like petering off the edge of their classic green tea. Although I have to say this is quite a light-bodied green tea. This isn't full of flavor. It's like very subtle hints, almost like if you diluted a lemon candy. That would be the tastes I'm getting. But that's a review. Thanks so much for being here. If you haven't already, please like and comment and subscribe. Let me know what you want to hear from me, what teas you'd like me to review in the future. Cheers.